everyone. Today we are going to be unboxing the beautiful collab between the Labubus and the Hello Kitty. I'm so excited about this because it has my two favorite characters, the Labubu and the Hello Kitty. Not only we are going to be unboxing this, we're also going to be finding a back charm for my Birkin. Fun fact, my Birkin has never had its charm, so this is going to be its first back charm and I'm so excited for it. So let's open this. Okay, this is a preview of all the boxes. Before I open it, let's just hope that there is secret in one of these boxes. Okay, let's do my first unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. Yeah, let's see. Let's hope. Okay, let's open this. My first box, my first character. This one. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is the first one is the Pochaco. Okay, let's do the unboxing of the second character and let's see what we have in the box. Let's see how I do it. This seems like I want to see remove the card. Oh, this is gonna be my favorite because this is my favorite character. This is the Hello Kitty. Yay! This is how she looks like. Okay, let's unbox the third box and still hope for a secret one. So let's see what's in this. And let's open this. This is also my second favorite character, which is the Chromie. Look at this. To the unboxing of fourth box and still not secret, but let's just secretly hope there's a secret. I think I ruined the opening, but let's try to open this and see what's in the fourth box. Not such a perfect opener. Oh, okay. This character, I think I know what I'm opening. Here you go. Let's see this. Yay! Look at this. This is Pom Rain, the fourth character. Okay, let's open the fifth box. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's still hope there's a secret. I still hope it's a secret. But let's see what's over here. Oh, okay. Let's see this. And this one is gonna be the cinnamon roll, the cute one. Let's see. Name card. Here you go. It's a cinnamon roll. So this is gonna be my last one. I still hope this is a secret. But let's see. Otherwise, it's gonna be my melody. But one can hope to have the secret. It'll be so much fun, right? Let's see this. And oh my god. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my melody. Not getting the secret, unfortunately, but it's okay. I get to have all the Hello Kitty and with friends characters. So here you go, the My Melody one. As pretty as always. Okay, now that I have unboxed everything, this is what it looks like. I need to pick one. I think I know which one I'm going to pick. I'm going to be revealing it in 2 seconds. Okay, here you go. I finally picked Pom Rain. I really think it goes well with this color. Let me know what are your thoughts. If you guys don't think I picked the right one, let me know which one you like the best in the comments. Thank you for watching.